Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I would like you to stay. In today's video, for a change, I decided to take you in my living room instead of the kitchen because it looks like all my videos are coming from the kitchen. I'm not always in the kitchen, believe me. It just does work like this way. So what I wanted to talk to you about this vlog. Actually, I did film something. So in this vlog, I don't talk much. I basically share what I was doing, how was my week. I had very productive week. As per my channel's name, Frugal Pleasures in Retirement, I do like some enjoyment, you know what I mean? So that includes maybe a cup of tea or just a cup of coffee. I had quite productive and enjoyable week. Like today, I had lunch with a couple ladies and it was quite nice. We had nice conversation and it was close by Mexican restaurant, so it was quite good. Another enjoyable thing was very important in my life. I spent very good time, quality time with a family member. So that was good. Did some baking, did some DIYs. Now, I know lots of you like my outings, my nature. What happened, as you know, I had a bad cold. And after that, it was snowing. And I missed buying my bus pass. I think I was under impression, like in UK, you buy your bus pass for a month anytime you want. Because over there, let's say today is, for example, is 15th, yeah? Today is not the 15th. So if I buy on 15th, then my bus pass expire next month on 15th. Where here is different, from 1st to end of the month. So of course I missed buying my pass and now I have another 2 weeks. So it will be kind of, waste of money to spend $63 on a pass only for 2 weeks. And I went actually to the train station, which is like 5 minutes away. And I was looking at those machines. They don't have weekly kind of transit tickets. They have a day ticket or monthly kind of ticket. So what I'm trying to say that you won't see much in the video, in a couple videos about my nature walks. I do walk in our local park and I did film some, but of course I'll go to different places. So please persevere with me. As soon as I get my bus pass next month, we'll be all over Vancouver because they're beautiful places. At the same time, I'm trying to wrap up my projects. I had quite a few projects, DIY, kind of painting, crafting. So I'm trying to organize my projects, which are for the balcony. Because, March, April, I want to kind of tidy up the balcony, plant my things. And that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to do the projects for the balcony as well. So it was quite a busy week for me, but as I mentioned, it was an enjoyable week. So I hope you like the video, and like I said, in this video I won't be doing much talking. I was baking a cake and that's what I'm talking a bit. The cake is lemon drizzle and I'm going to put the recipe in the description. Now about my, how can I say, the volume of my voice. Gosh, I was working in the hospitality. I should have high tones. I'm trying to wait for the microphone because I went to Best Buy to check for the microphone. They are like $400. So I thought I'll wait. I'll see, maybe I can find cheaper. Somebody suggested that on Amazon is cheaper. I haven't had a chance to check the Amazon. So please let me know how is the volume now, like in this video. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or, suggestions, please leave your comments. And if you are new here, I would like you to subscribe and like and comment. Also, I would like to thank everyone who responded to my I was asking a question about my battery operated candles, and I got quite a few suggestions, and you'll see I did something with them to look nicer and more presentable. So let me know what you think about them. Also, if you are watching my videos, can you please help me to kind of generate some income by watching, how would they say, the ads? Because if you are watching the ads on during my video, then apparently I get paid something. I haven't got monetized yet, I have no idea, but at least the button is on. So anyway, Vera, enough rambling. Let me know what you think about the video. Thank you very much, and I wish you a lovely day wherever you are. I don't know if you can see it, but what I do, I usually mix my cake mixes in the sink. This way, it doesn't kind of, mess up my kitchen tiles. So that's what I do. In the freezer, I always have this lemon zest or orange zest. So this is lemon and lime. I'm gonna add a little bit of zest. Now let's make the glaze. It's calling for 85 grams of caster sugar. I usually put icing sugar. Now it's calling also for 1.5 lemon juice. Once again, I don't have fresh lemon. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to substitute. Just put some lemon juice. I've done this before. Just approximately. And make a paste, then we'll put on top of the cake when the cake is ready, which is in the oven for 50 minutes, 50. I do have an accent, so sometimes people have hard time to understand me. So this is our paste.